I'm going to read for you. Okay, so please you listen carefully. 1. This huge, it means big, gray animal lives where? In the sea, it means in the ocean. It's got a very big mouth and a lot of teeth. It can sometimes eat people. Okay, it can sometimes eat people like me and you. Okay, so what is this animal? 2. This gray animal lives in the sea, in the ocean. It's got a long nose and small teeth. It's very clever, intelligent, okay? It's very clever and it likes playing. 3. This big brown animal lives in Australia. It's got 2 long, strong legs and 2 short, thin arms. It can jump. 4. This animal can fly. It eats fruit. It can be red, green, and blue, and it's very loud. It means it's very noisy. 5. This big animal is gray, brown, or white. It's big and it can stand on 2 legs. Okay, so we have sit when you sit down and when you stand up. So you stand on 2 legs like us. We stand on 2 legs. It eats fish, meat, fruit, and plants. It sleeps when it's cold. Number 6, which is the last one, this big black and white bird can swim, but it can't fly. It lives in very cold water and it eats fish.